Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to create and use macros in Excel. So what are macros? A macro is basically used to automate tasks repetitively, and it can be used as many times as you want. So here's my data on the occupation, salary, and the average of health companies that are related to health. This is really random data, I've made it up. But so what I want to do with this data is I want to make a chart out of it, but not a normal chart, just a dynamic chart so that I don't have to keep entering the data every single time I go. So here I have two sheets as examples, and I'll be showing you how it will dynamically, the data will dynamically get into the chart. So basically, to start recording a macro, there's two ways you can do it. One is down here, this button. This is a record button to start recording a macro. And another way you can do it is go into developer ribbon. I have the developer ribbon, but if you don't, it's simple. All you can do is just right click and go to customize the ribbon, and here, just click on developer. So now to start my macro, I'm going to use the button down here. I'm going to just click on it, and it tells you to name your macro. I'm going to name my macro chart just as an example, and I'll you can do a shortcut key too, so I'll just do Control B and OK. So now, from now, every single action that you make is going to be recorded. So if you don't want something in this recording, then just don't do it. So basically, I'm gonna go up here, and I'm gonna go Shift, down arrow key, and then right. So I have used shortcuts because that's what is gonna make it dynamic. And then I'm gonna go into Insert and go to Combo Chart, and here. So now don't click out and click in, just you can have a play around over here. If you want, you can change colors. So I'm just gonna change it to maybe yellow. But yeah, you can play around over here, or you can get different chart. Yeah, okay. So once we've done this, so something else I'm gonna do is just give the chart a title. Salary, average by occupation. Okay. So once I've done that, I'm gonna stop recording and go into sheet 2. So now that I've done that, I want to do the exact same thing on here, but you don't have to start from scratch. All you need to do is use this shortcut key. So I did Control B and do that. And here we go. We have the exact same chart over here. Now for the last part of this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a macro. So what you can do is you can go into the developer ribbon and then go into macros, and it comes up with this, and all you need to do is just select it and delete it. Yes, and there you go, your macro is deleted. And that comes to the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hopefully you've learned something from this.